How to activate Best Buy credit card online. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can activate your Best Buy credit card online. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up a web browser. On your web browser, simply search for Activate Best Buy credit card online. After you do that, you'll find this option by citi.com. Head over here. So from here, you can actually activate your Best Buy credit card. For that, you'll also need to register. So let this load. And after you do that, so what you'll need to do is right here, you'll need to enter your card number. Enter your card number, then your name as it appears in your card. So whatever your name is on the card, then your security code as well. So if you don't know what that is, as you can see here, this is the 3-digit code on the end. And just type that in, and the last digit of your primary card holder's security number. So type your social security number as well here, the last 4 digit, and then tap on verify. After you tap on verify, your card will start processing for your activation. So this is just for the verification process. Tap on verify and it will move on with the registration. The process is really simple and easy to do. So yeah, just do it, and that's how easy it is. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.